Uh-oh, here we go. What's up, y'all? And welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kay. Thank y'all for joining me on this Monday. Y'all, welcome to May. I don't know why I hit that laugh, but y'all, it was supposed to be, wait, that one. Welcome to May. Welcome to May. I hope you guys are having a great day, a great Monday so far. Y'all will see this video. This video is going to go up today. It will probably be up by 4 at the most, at the latest, I guess. Hopefully, if YouTube is not tripping with me today, y'all know how YouTube been tripping lately. I don't know what's going on, y'all, but it's gonna be all right. It's gonna be all right. So I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Hope you guys enjoyed your weekend and everything's awesome and kosher and groovy. Y'all, so today I'm going to come at you with another friendly reminder of the 10 habits of highly successful people. So if you are a manifesting greatness and you guys are being, doing what you need to do to get it together and y'all are like just, getting it right, then okay. So maybe you possess one of these habits. Wow. So you are on your way to be successful, baby. Yes, you are. All right. So successful people are not just born with their talents and abilities. They have also cultivated certain habits that have them to achieve their goal, have helped them to achieve their goal. So these habits are not secret, and anyone can develop these habits with discipline and practice. So we're going to go ahead and discuss. I have 10, 10 habits that highly successful people share, and ways that how you can adopt them to become more successful yourself. So if you are working towards your success, then this is the video for you. So the first thing you want to do is set clear goals and priorities. Successful people they have a clear idea of what they want to achieve, and they set clear goals to help them get there. So they break down these goals into smaller achievable tasks and prioritize them based on their importance. And by doing this, they can focus their energy on tasks that matter most and make consistent progress towards their larger objectives. Larger objectives. Girl, it's gonna be all right, girl. It is Monday, child. So make sure that you are setting, this is what I'm saying. I know you guys have heard me say this before if you have watched my videos. So still, in order to manifest greatness, you have to set clear goals. Make sure that these goals, they're achievable. They are small, but they are achievable. Okay? So the second thing we want to do is you want to take action consistently. Once successful people have set their goals and priorities, they take action consistently towards achieving them. They do not wait for the perfect moment or everything to be just right. They start taking steps towards their goals immediately and continue taking action every day. This consistency helps them to build momentum and make progress towards their objectives. So take action consistently, daily, take action. Whatever it is that you plan on doing, write it down, then take action on it immediately. And then you have to cultivate a positive mindset. Successful people have a positive mindset, even in the face of challenges and setbacks. They focus on solutions rather than finding problems, rather than the problems, and they see challenges and opportunities to learn and grow. So they also surround themselves with positive people and limit their exposure to negativity and pessimism. So you want to keep a positive mindset. In manifesting anything, you have to have a positive mindset. You cannot come from sometimes, I mean, I can't say that because I have manifested when I was angry and I have manifested when I was happy. So it's like although you are angry at the time, your mindset is still in a positive way. You're still thinking, okay, well, I may be mad, but I can what can I do to better myself, Because what can I do to get me out of this anger? What can I do to get me out of this funk that I'm in, you know? All right. Now, after you cultivate a positive mindset, you want to continuously learn and improve. Learning is forever. Learning is forever. If you stop learning, then you stop knowing. You know, Successful people never stop learning and improving. They read books, they attend seminars and workshops, they seek out mentorships and guidance from others. They also reflect on their own experiences and learn from their mistakes. By doing this, they are constantly growing and improving, which helps them to stay ahead of the curve. So you have to continuously learn. You have to keep learning in everything. Make sure you're reading, make sure you're spelling because some people these days don't even know how to spell certain words. We have these damn what do they call acronyms, and the acronyms have like taken over the actual speaking, the actual words. So you want to like learn things and learn, continuously learn and keep improving where you feel like you need improvement. So the next thing, and for me, this is the most important thing because you have to do this in order to like situate yourself in every situation. And that is embrace change. Change is inevitable. And successful people understand this. Whether rather than resisting change, they embrace it and use it as an opportunity to learn and grow. They are flexible and adaptable, and they are always looking for new and innovative ways to do things. So you have to embrace change and know that change only makes you better, you know, unless it's a crazy messed up situation. Change will only make you better, you know. Don't change yourself for the worst, change yourself for the better, for the best, you know. And the next thing is, which is also important, taking care of themselves. They take care of themselves. Successful people take care of themselves. They understand that taking care of themselves is critical to their success. They prioritize their physical health by eating well, exercising regularly, and getting enough sleep. They also take care of their mental and emotional health by practicing mindfulness and self care. I've noticed that, when you practice mindfulness and bring yourself to the now, you will out you I mean, you will feel so much better. If you do not go back to the past or you do not worry about what the future may bring and you focus on the now, focus on what you can do now to make yourself greater. And this is what I've said this before because it's always a part of manifesting greatness. If you are manifesting greatness, then this is something that you have to continuously drill in yourself so that you can get this into your subconscious and you can, believe in yourself more. So the next thing you want to do is focus on relationships. Successful people understand the importance of relationships. They cultivate strong, positive relationships with family, friends, colleagues, and clients. And they prioritize these relationships above all else. So they also understand that building and maintaining these relationships takes effort. So they practice in reaching out and staying connected. So if a relationship is worthy, you know, of your time, because time is another thing, then I suggest you get into it. You want to associate yourself with like-minded people. You want to, like, back in the day, I read an I read an article, and this was like 10 years ago. I read this article and it said that if you have 5 broke friends, then you're the 6th, you know. So, and ever since then, ever since I read that article, I heard a lot of other people saying it, it just, yeah, because it's true. You are who you hang around. You are who. So, when cultivating these relationships, you want to make sure that you want to make sure that these relationships are beneficial to where you're trying to go in life, you know? Okay? So the next one would be to give back to others. Give back to others. Successful people also understand the importance of giving back, paying it forward. You know, they are generous with their time, talents, and resources. And they're always looking for ways to help others. So by doing that, they're building strong relationships and a positive reputation, which can help them to achieve their goals in the long run. Get away, fly. Damn. So make sure that you give back to others. You notice how people are. When you have a lot of money, you become a philanthropist, and things like that. You want to give to charity. You want to give to those who matter, those that matter. Like, you know, you don't necessarily have to just give just because, this person wants, no, you give to those who need. So the third most important thing that I feel is practice time management. They practice time management. Like, okay, let me show you guys my time management sheet that I use. So this is my time management sheet, because time is something that you cannot get back. So time should not be wasted at all. Don't waste your time. Me, I don't waste my time. I don't waste my breath, because we are only allotted a certain amount of breaths. We don't know exactly how many breaths we have. So time in your breath is something that should not be wasted. So you want to practice time management, because time is a precious resource, and successful people understand that. So they practice good time management habits, such as prioritizing tasks, delegating when necessary, and avoiding distractions. That's another thing, too. You have to avoid distractions, because people will come into your life to distract you, because they see you, they see that you're going somewhere, they see that you're doing something big, you know, and they will come into your life to distract you. So you have to be careful with that. You have to be aware of everyone who you surround yourself with, you know? So they they do this to, avoid distractions. They also use tools and techniques such as calendars, to-do lists, and time blocking to stay organized and focused. So I have my to-do list. I write it down in my journal. I journal daily, and So that's another thing that you want to do too. Write down things. Write down what you're going through. Write down how you're feeling. Okay, and then they persevere through challenges. Successful people understand that challenges and setbacks are a part of the journey to success. You know, it's a setback, but that comeback is going to be oh so great. So it's going to happen. It's a part of the journey. So we have to, as successful people, we have to persevere through these challenges. Even when things get tough, we have to stay focused on our goals and our priorities. So, and don't give up until we achieve them. These are 10 habits of successful people. If you want to be successful, then you should follow these habits because you have to, like, you know, work your way towards being great. If you're not, if you don't feel great already, then you have to start somewhere. You have to work your way towards that. So, developing these habits can help you become more successful in your personal and professional life. While it takes discipline and practice to adopt these habits, the benefits are well worth it. So, start today by setting clear goals, take consistent action, and cultivate a positive mindset. And you should be on your way to success. So, this has been another friendly reminder from yagirlkanina. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I appreciate your time. And if you guys like are looking to for any kind of meditation classes or meditation one-on-one sessions, I'm gonna put the link down below to where you guys can sign up to our new meditation classes. We're gonna be doing singles meditation classes, and we're gonna be doing couples meditation classes as well. And also, if you guys need consultation on your businesses, you can check down below, or you can check my website. Go to the blog and hit my graphic website at the top of the page, and you can go there and schedule a consult with me for your business. And you can also schedule a meditation session as well. So, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate your time. And this has been your girl Kanina with another friendly reminder. Thank you and peace. Don't forget to like and subscribe, y'all. If y'all like this content, subscribe to my channel. Go on, hit your girl, subscribe. Hit that subscribing.